The 9 archers have called you. Come, draw your fate. Find a quest in each card. Your greatness awaits. The 9 archers call. Will you choose to pass through? A game of adventures. The world is your board. Leaps of faith are points scored. Delight your reward. Burn down your old routines. Rekindle your fire. Flames flowing higher. Go dance with your desires. The 9 archers call. Go be you, but anew. Though your path is your own, know you're not alone. Many archers have flown through the same unknown, thrown caution to the wind, taken life offloan, and they have grown, knowing cards played are seeds sown. So go get yourself a full-blown shift in tone, with the 9 archers as your Rosetta Stone. Your comfort zones be damned, make your life more mythic. Now what are myths but tales of feats terrific? For once through the arches, you're more than before. Each card you explore turns your life into lore. The 9 archers call, and the archers call too. Pledge now, play true, and let your legend debut.